It's a pretty big day. Waited for it for a while, so I'm just excited to do it and finally ready to be over with everything, all the hecticness of it all.
So when you look back, even though it's just days rather than months or years, what are you going to remember most about your experience at Newman?
It went fast. I don't know, just like the memories, all the friends that I made and the lessons that I learned, I guess. So
what were some of those lessons that are sticking with you?
Time management is big, and really just like how to be a better person.
Let me ask you about what's next. What do you think is on the horizon for you? What do you want to do? And your communication major, right?
Well, I'm going to be staying in Wichita, and I'm pursuing something in like the criminal justice field. So just kind of waiting for that to pop up, and everything will happen when it's supposed to. So,
as far as bowling goes, are you going to miss that competitive part of your athletic career?
For right now, no. I'm sure in the future I will, but right now I think it's good to have just a break, and then in the future I'm sure I'll get back into it a little more competitively, but for right now it's just break time.
Morning, folks. If you ever got to get make your way over there and get started finding your seats, we're going to need to get going here in a little bit.
I'm having her face this way. How's she? Okay. All right, Miranda. So, what does this day mean to you and your family?
It's a pretty big day. Waited for it for a while, so I'm just excited to do it and finally ready to be over with everything, all the hecticness of it all.